To create the list, we go on the left click on Home, which brings us to the start page, and then we say New. We could use a template which is available, but we don't want that, so we click on Blink List, type in the name of the list, vehicle. Now I make an underscore so I can get rid of the 2, and we create the list. Now we have an empty list, and SharePoint generates a title column which we want to rename into vehicle ID. The title column is always the ID column. Then we need an additional columns for the image. So we create an image column, and the name of the image column will be vehicle images. Don't make it a required column, so this is it. Now we need an additional column, repair ID, because we want to link the images to the appointment of a car repair. If you remember, in the last video, we created a table vehicle repair data, and where we store repairs that have been done on the car or car appointments, and we want to link the images to this repair appointment. So we look for the repair ID and take this as the foundation for the picture. Then we say save and store the column, and for now these are all the columns we need.